Hello everyone, welcome back with one more video, and this video is about how to prepare general knowledge or current affairs. You know that general knowledge and current affairs are the part of section 3 general test. This video will cover how to prepare for general knowledge, what study material should be followed, and what should be step by step planning. As you know, there's no specific syllabus for general knowledge. Therefore, it is completely based on self preparation, and hence you have to make a detailed course plan for your general knowledge and current affairs. Before we proceed discussion, some warm up about the course pattern. So CUET has three sections. Section 1, that is called section 1A, B, it's a language. Section 2, it's about subject specific domain, and third is general test. General test has multiple sections, and first two sections are general knowledge and current affairs. So this video is going to be about general knowledge and current affairs preparation planning. Step that you should follow: first, understand the syllabus. Here the syllabus means what type of questions are tested or asked. Second, start thinking, reading, working on your reading of newspaper and magazine. Third, use online resources. Fourth, refer standard GK books. Number fifth, make notes or use mnemonics. Number six, regular revision. And number seven, practice with previous ever papers and mock test. And number eight, join discussions forums or group. So now let us understand how to utilize these eight steps for your preparation. So number one, understand the syllabus. As I said, there's no specific syllabus yet. At least we know that what areas are tested. So get a clear understanding of the topics covered under the general knowledge sections of CUET. This typically includes current affairs, general awareness, statistics, history. I mean, the data that covers GK, that covers history, geography, Indian polity, economy, environment, and general science. So these are the areas from the questions are tested. Now, that is step one, means you know that what are the topics you have to study. Number two, regular newspaper and magazine reading. Fine. So develop a habit of reading newspaper daily, and I will recommend you two newspapers, and both are trustworthy newspapers, and they are followed in all types of competitive exams. Why? Because they include good content of national international events. So they are The Hindu and Indian Express. There is one more suggestion. If possible, subscribe to weekly or monthly current affairs magazines like Pratyogita Darpan or Yojana, which covers a wide range of topics relevant to competitive exams. So Yojana and Pratyogita Darpan will give you update. However, what if you are a good reader through the Hindu and Indian Express, you can cover your syllabus. Now moving to step 3, use online resources. Follow reputable newspapers or website or portals. Right now, in format, there are a lot of portals that use events, current events, and general knowledge. Utilize online platforms like YouTube and current affairs GK channels. However, what if you are just much into watching videos? So there are a lot of YouTube channels that share newspapers on daily basis. So that will be sufficient. Number four, standard books. So Lucent General Knowledge book is a good book, and it has detailed description of all types of context of history, geography, Indian polity, economy, and environment. Moreover, you can go with one more book that is called NCRT books from 6 to 12 and social science books. So what if you just take a short look from all books, history, geography, polity, economics, it will be more than sufficient. So Lucent and NCRT books are sufficient for your general understanding. However, there is one more book that is called Manorama. You can follow that. Now, make notes and mnemonics. So, note making or mnemonics are the standard version of recalling information. So, make your own notes while studying. as writing down information helps you to better understand and develop your own mnemonics. So, mnemonics are generally a symbol through that you realize or you understand the detailed version in shorter form or shorter version in detailed form. So, these are the things that you can follow. Yes. Next is that is called number six, regular revision. Revise the topics you have studied. Revision is the key, as you know, that because the more you revise, the better you can learn. And create a revision schedule that allows you to revisit each topic multiple times before the exam. So, before the exam, at least you should go with. Now, number seven, practice with previous year papers and mock tests. So, practice makes a man perfect, and previous year papers will give you the hand on your understanding. So, solve previous year's question papers to understand the pattern of questions and general topics asked in GK. Mock tests will help you to manage your time because ultimately time matters. So that for the time management, previous year's question paper are good. Moving to the number eight part, that is called discussion forum. So engage in discussion forums, social media groups focused on CUT and general knowledge. It can be helpful to exchange information and clarify doubts, getting new insight from your peer groups. So these are the some important strategies that can be followed for your general awareness and general preparation. So if we go with the shortcut, Lucent, Pratyogita Darpan, The Hindu, and Indian Express are the sufficient material for your general knowledge and current affairs practice.